Mason, happy birthday. And I still remember all of our jokes in Disney on Ice. That was very, very sad.
Hi, Kuya Mason. Good morning. Happy birthday. Wish you a good health and sana maging maayos ang iyong pag-aaral at alam ko naman kayang-kaya mo. Taasan mo pa yung grades mo. I hope na gagaling ka sa school. And syempre alam ko na magaling ka talaga. And God bless you always. Kahit nabihira, syempre tayo magkita. Pero syempre nandito si Mama. At I love you so much. Huwag mong kalimutan lagi na mag-pray kay Lord, ha? At magsisimba kayo lagi ni Mami. Tsaka si Liam, syempre, happy birthday. Love you. And syempre, binata ka na. God bless, Kuya.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mason. I hope you enjoy your day. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. One more. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Mason. Love you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Enjoy your day. I love you, Kuya. Kahit minsan mo tayo magkita, Kuya. Isipin mo palagi. Mahal na mahal ko kayo ni Yami. I love you, Kuya. Happy birthday. Regards na lang dyan sa class mo, ha. Enjoy your day, Kuya. Kain ka ng marami. Sana lagi kang malusog, Kuya. Kayong dalawa ni Yami. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mason.
Hello, Mason. Happy birthday. It's my birthday in heaven also today. Sayang, hindi mo ko nabutan. Sana, kita mo ang lolas mo na
may kabirthday pala mo.
napakaganda. Oo,
Si Tito Philip.
diba ganda ko?
Philip, hindi si Toby ah.
Kaya
Si Lola
good
Nena,
always,
iba yun yung death anniversary.
always remember me. Kasi
Remember,
birthday mo,
Alam ko
pwede
na.
pa rin sa
birthday niya
heaven.
in heaven.
Love you.
Pero birthday pala.
God bless, always pray.
Sinabi lang mo Lola Yuji yun. Birthday.
Happy birthday, Mason, and happy birthday sa'yo ulit. And I hope you have a wonderful birthday. I hope you have a wonderful day today. Sana lahat ng gift na binigay sa'yo, i-appreciate mo. Because, you know, hindi lahat ng tao nakaka-receive ng gift, gaya ng mga gift na binibigay sa'yo. And you should also study hard and keep on pursuing your dreams. Keep on studying, enable for you to be successful in life and be very rich person. Yeah. And don't forget to eat every day, to drink lots of water every day, because life isn't really that long. You gotta enjoy it since you're still young. You gotta enjoy everything you haven't explored, everything you haven't learned. You gotta make sure you enjoy, you experience everything that you have to experience. And happy birthday again, Lisa. Bye-bye.
Dalawa.
Dalawang boses ni Lola Gigi, no?
ba ang pusa na pala?
Love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mason! Hi! Bye!
Mason, happy 13th birthday. Teenager na siya. Kailangan ka mag-birthday ka na natin. Okay lang naman mag-birthday. Basta ganun ang sitwasyon sa pag-aaral. Just enjoy at happy sa araw-araw sa mga ginagawa mo. At saka wish ko sa lagi mawala ng allergy.
Yung
Sagaras sa
kay.
pag-aaral mo at magkaroon ka ng future.
Yung kay.
Someday,
Mag-shoes na liyam doon. Bilis, andyan na si Kuya rin.
maging na sila
Si Kuya, mabilis lang yan mag-ano eh. Move forward ka pa.
Tayo kay Gabi.
ayos na maayos.
Yung Disney Oil Ice pa
Sa umagat evening, God bless lagi at tayo pa sa aming mga kapan. Happy birthday, I love you, Lola from Lola George. Spaghetti ka tayo. Okay. Bye. Enjoy your birthday.
And happy birthday, Mason. Happy birthday.
Sila
We
pa.
wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Yes. Study hard. Tapos inom ka ng madaming vitamins para kasi laki mas lumaki ka pa kay papa mo at saka kay mama mo. Pinapakilala ko pala sa'yo. Yung dating friend mo. Si Spam. Si Spam. Ayan na siya ngayon. Ano na siya? Ham na siya ngayon. Hindi na siya
Si Ate
ham.
Pam.
Hindi na siya. Hindi na spam. Ham na siya.
Di ba spam ang tawag mo dati?
Happy birthday and enjoy your day. God bless. Bye-bye.
Hello, Mason. Happy birthday sa'yo. And wish na magkaroon ka ng magandang kinabukasan. At maging
Sayang mo, hindi ako kilala yung
una sa lahat,
Tito ni Tin
lumaki
yun.
at tumanda ka na laging mapagmahal.
Bali, lolo mo na din.
Lang bigyan din natin para mas lalo kang maging successful. No? Okay, happy
Kapatid
birthday,
ni
Mason.
Papa Dandy.
God bless.
Nila Tita Gigi.
Happy birthday, Mason!
Happy birthday!
Nakabait ka. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi Kuya Mason, happy birthday.
Hi Mason, happy birthday.
More girlfriends to come. Hey.
More birthdays to come, Mason.
Pa-Jollibee si Mami.
To you,
And did you
birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ang galing.
Say happy birthday, Kuya
Ako,
May
me,
Son.
and
Kuya Mason.
ako.
Bye-bye.
Galing na.
Hi, Mason. Happy 30th birthday. Enjoy your special day. We're so excited to see what the year brings for you.
Always have fun, make wise choices, and don't grow up too fast. Know that you are loved.
And we're always here for you. Happy birthday.
Oh my God, happy birthday. No, teenager ka na. Miss you very much.
Mas matangkad daw sa'yo.
Always remember, Happy Side is always here for you kahit di ka na nare-represent. Bye-bye. I love
Wait
you
lang, konti.
very much.
Patapos.
Sana magkita-
Pahintay mo konti.
magkita tayo soon. Enjoy your day. I love you. 13th birthday, Kuya Mason. Huwag ka naman maging nonchalant, okay? I hope you're happy on your love life.
Oo na.
Bye.
Happy 30th birthday, Kuya Mason! Sana po makapag-meet po tayo soon. Miss na po kita. Happy birthday po. Sana po mag-meet po tayo soon.
Happy birthday po, Kuya Mason. God bless you.
Always remember that we're here for you. Ate Dingding loves you and we hope that you grow up to become a gentleman. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
13th birthday, Sian. I wish you a day filled with joy and happiness. Salamat sa pagiging best friend ko since grade 5. And our relationship is still ongoing to this day. Thank you.
Hi Mason! Happy birthday Mason! My birthday wish for you is you should enjoy your birthday, no? Every once in a while, kasi once in a year lang yan. And sana makalipat ka dito. Joke lang. Have the strength to keep pursuing your dreams and becoming mature in living a happy life. Yun lang. Stay healthy, Mason. Bye-bye! Happy birthday! Enjoy your special day, ha?
Hello, Sian! Happy birthday!
Ka-office mate ko
You're
lang. Ninang
already
mo
a
yan.
teenager. Always take good care of your parents and also study hard, okay? Always pray as well and ask God for more wisdom. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
Oh, you got me study. Well, anyway, this is your special day. I want to greet you a happy birthday, Sian. Enjoy your day.
Galing, oh.
YouTuber. Kailan yan?
Happy 13th birthday, Kuya.
Kaya palang
Thank you for
tagal.
being so kind to me, even though I'm very makulit. I love you.
Si Dad nagkakon.
And thank you for being responsible and helpful. May you always be in good health. Study hard. Always stay positive and believe in yourself. We are very proud of you and we love you very much. I hope you will be happy today.
Happy birthday! I hope maging masaya ka sa araw na yun. And the best birthday, Tita Toto.
Happy birthday, Sian, Mason, the Macho Mason. Happy birthday. That's our first gift number 1.
Meron pa.
There's a lot. 1,000. Actually, yung cellphone. Happy birthday, Kuya. Did we make you happy?
Oh.